Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating the file and setting the foundation. Open Pages and pick a template that matches your goal. Templates save formatting time. Once done, set page size and margin so layout behaves predictably. Make sure to enable Show Invisibles so you see spaces and breaks while you type. This prevents hidden layout problems later. Save immediately with a clear name and location, and enable autosave or versioning so your work is protected as you continue. You now shape the document structure and appearance. Apply paragraph styles for headings and body text so changes propagate across the file. Edit a style to update every instance at once. Insert visuals like images and tables and anchor them to paragraphs to keep layout stable during edits. Use columns for newsletters and lists for clarity, and adjust alignment and spacing to guide the reader's eye. Once styles are set, copy and paste content into placeholders rather than reformatting each. Finish by proofreading and preparing the file for delivery. Run spelling and grammar checks, then use Print Preview to confirm page breaks, hyphenation, and image placement. Export as PDF for distribution or as Word when collaborating with others. Always open the exported file briefly to verify formatting. If things go wrong, images shift or styles differ, reapply correct styles, adjust anchors, or restore the previous version from autosave. That troubleshooting step fixes most issues without rebuilding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.